See, I'm feeling very happy and I'm feeling very proud. With all humility, I'm accepting this particular award, and I'm grateful to IVPI for recognizing my services to poultry science. Yeah, industry, we are in a food business. Food business was, is, and always will be a good business. See, people are happier to come out of the restaurant than from the temple. And in earlier days, we used to eat to live. Nowadays, it is vice versa. We are living to eat. Okay, people are happy to have more variety of food and excitement factor. So all this matter very much. So food industry for another maybe see time unknown. Food industry will only grow, it will not shrink. Initially, after COVID started, there was some mispropaganda regarding consumption of chicken as well as eggs, because people started saying that okay, if you eat chicken, you will get corona and all. And this also, there was also a factor of wet market that was there in China, wherein actually seafood animals and all they were sold in the wet market, and that had caused a lot of scare among the people. But after once people realized that consumption of protein is going to increase the immunity, then the consumption of egg and chicken really shot up very much, especially animal protein shot up very much. Vegetarians can have, definitely they can have milk and even egg also. Egg is also considered a vegetarian food, because the egg, table egg that we are seeing, it will not hatch out into a chick. It is a vegetarian farm. Chicken and egg, we are close to about 75, 80 eggs per capita we are consuming. That means per person per year we are consuming about 80, and ICMR recommendation is about 180. So we have still a lot of way to go. As the people's economy is improving, as their financial status is improving, the consumption is taking a better shape. That's how it is. There is a lot of production requirement also. There is one or two hindrance factors also, because misconception that okay, in Shravana Masa we should not consume this non-vegetarian items, and on Thursdays some people will not consume. Some people it is you must be, you are a Kannadiga, you must be knowing Kuri Kolina Somara Shanivara Kadiyangilla. That means on Saturdays we won't cut, on Mondays we won't cut. In rest of the remaining days, some people will not do it on Friday. Okay, some of the hindrances are there. Slowly everything is actually reaching a plateau, and people have started consuming. They have understood that it is also a food. It has nothing, no relation with the religion. That's how it is. On an average, say about 14-15%. Year on year it is increasing more and more, especially the younger generations. They are more interested in animal based food, that is non-vegetarian food, as well as eggs. That's how it is. Yeah, Adventist group, whatever is there, it is established in the year 2005. We have completed about 17 years of operations. By January we will be finishing 18 years, and we are going strong ahead into the market. And we are a small company, but we fight to retain the trust of the customer, because once you lose it, see, what happens, it is in biology, in 2 plus 2 is not always 4. Okay, you give a medicine in 80% of the people, if it works, then it is a good success rate. Similarly, here also, in animal field also, if it works in about 80% of the cases, you can say that okay, it is a good this thing that we are maintaining, and quality ingredients and good quality control and customer feedback we are taking, and based on that we are developing products. That's how it is. That we'll have to see. That will not much of comments about that. Right. Thank you.